What's up, SD Racing family, and welcome back to the channel. We hope you're doing well. Today we're going to take a look at a 2006 Trailblazer SS that we recently did an engine refresh and a Texas Speed cam. So this Trailblazer SS was originally brought with a lifter failure. We went ahead and ordered him a Texas Speed 220R cam, supporting mods, so valve springs, lifters, push rods, all that stuff to go along with it. During the process of installing the cam, we noticed that there was a good bit of wear on the cam bearings and also a good bit of sediment in the oil pan. Pulled it all down, noticed that we had a good amount of wear on the main bearings and rod bearings, so the decision was made to go ahead and refresh the engine. Crank was good, rods were good, pistons were good, so we got a set of bearings, rod and main, as well as a new set of cam bearings and some new piston rings. So complete overhaul refresh of the engine with the Texas Speed 220R cam. Put a couple hundred miles worth of braking time on it, now we're ready to tune it. Alright, well, we just finished tuning the Trailblazer. Typically these vehicles will be between 310 and 330 horsepower and torque to the tires. At the end of the session, we were able to make 381 horsepower and 401 foot-pounds of torque. So we're able to pick up over 50 horsepower and over 70 foot-pounds of torque. Now we expect a little bit more power to be gained once the braking is fully done on it, once the motor loosens up a little bit more, probably in the range of about 10 to 15 horsepower at most. But with the Texas Speed 220R cam really being the only modification we did performance-wise to it, we made some good gains. So again, 381 horsepower, 401 foot-pounds of torque, over 50 horsepower gain, and over 70 foot-pound of torque gain from factory. Well, thank you all again for stopping by the channel and seeing the dyno session with this 2006 Trailblazer SS. If you liked the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you haven't done so already, please think about subscribing to the channel, share it with your friends, and we hope you have a good one. We'll see you again soon.